trends that will shape your job search in 2025. The way we work is evolving at lightning speed, and 2025 is going to bring even more exciting changes to the job market. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to know these 5 key trends. Let's jump in and get reskilling is no longer optional. Let's start with reskilling. Technology like AI and automation is transforming industries, and that means workers need to adapt. More than half of employees will need to update their skills in this 2025. Taking courses, earning certifications, or diving into new areas like data analysis or coding will help you stay competitive and improve your career. AI is shaping the workplace. AI tools like chatbots, scheduling apps, and automated workflows. Artificial intelligence is changing jobs across the board. It's taking care of repetitive tasks like scheduling or data entry, so employees can focus on creative and high-level work. But here is the thing: AI can't replace everything, such like problem solving, emotional intelligence, and leadership will be your best tools for standing out in this tech. Freelancing boom is here to stay. With millennials and Gen Z leading the charge, more people are turning to freelance work for its flexibility and freedom. Platforms that connect freelancers with clients make it easier than ever to start. If a traditional 9-to-5 isn't your thing, freelancing can be a chance to craft a career on your terms. Number 4, digital expertise. Digital expertise is in high demand. So businesses today are desperate for digital experts, from social media management to online marketing. Companies need help navigating the ever-growing digital world with billions of people online every day. The demand for this skill is exploding. If you can master digital tools or strategies, there's a huge opportunity waiting for you. Virtual reality is revolutionizing jobs. Finally, let's talk about virtual reality. This tech isn't just for gamers anymore. It's transforming how we collaborate and train. In this 2025, most companies will be using VR to make meeting and skill building more interactive. If you are in tech, learning how to use VR tools or even how to design virtual environments can make you a top candidate in this growing field. So how to succeed in 2025 as a professional networking event with people exchanging ideas and shaking hands? Now, how can you strive in the fast-changing job market? First, focus on building both technical and soft skills. Creativity, emotional intelligence, and adaptability will always be in demand. Second, start networking like your career depends on it. It does. Building relationships in your industry can unlock opportunities you never knew existed. Most importantly, don't be afraid to evolve. The workplace is changing, but if you are ready to learn, grow, and adapt, the future is yours to share. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe for more tips. Let's make this 2025 your best year.